Hi Hadi, today I'm going to draw the flag of Greece. So I already have drawn the rectangle here and it has a lots of graphical variations. So the drawings is previously done. Alright, I'm filling up the blocks and making the final outlines of the drawing here. Alright. There's another square here, you can see. Alright, another portion on the top you can see here. I'm going to fill it up with the dark color again. As you can see that the shape of the flag is getting real. Alright, so that segment is complete. Now I'm going to the other segment, which is like the mirror of the previous one. So you can see that some spaces are filled up with blue colors and some spaces are just left behind with its original color, that's the white color. Alright, let's fill up this part. And the bottom two part, now I'm going to do that one. The graphics and the top part is completed right now. Now this the two part is the straight two lines at the bottom of the flag. Okay, all right, so this is the total presentations and the combinations of the flag of Greece. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the more updates. You can also browse to the playlist and select different categories for the drawings. We have lots of drawings out there in different categories. Flag is only one of those many categories. Thank you so much. Have a good day.